I'm getting some questions from the homework, and I can see why, because it's very confusing exactly how you should get the correlation and the regression line for the problems in section 2.6. This is mostly because there used to be a link that would connect you to StatKey where these data sets are already loaded up, and that link isn't here anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm also going to give everybody a couple of extra attempts and extend the deadline by 24 hours on this homework. So let me show you how to do it. So here is section 2.6, exercise 196. I'll go through and do this one. This is the one with the honeybee waggle. When honeybee scouts find a good food source or a nice new site for a new home, they communicate the location to the rest of the swarm by a waggle dance. They point in the direction of the site and dance longer for sites that are far away. The rest of the bees use the duration of the dance to predict the distance to the site. Table 1 shows the distance in meters and duration of the dance in seconds for 7 honeybee scouts. And this is, as I said, a data set that is in Wiley Plus, StatKey. So first of all, the explanatory variable, they're trying to use the duration of the dance to figure out how far away the food source is, so that's duration. Here's a scatter plot of the data. Since the longer dances tend to be associated with larger distances, then there does appear to be a linear trend, and it appears to be positive. Now we need to use correlation to find, technology to find the correlation and the regression line. So here's how we can do that. First of all, I'm going to go to StatKey. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to www.block5stat.com/StatKey. When I get here, I'm in the descriptive statistics and graphs part, and I'm using 2 quantitative variables, so I click on that. And now up here, I select the data set that I have. So again, I just clicked where it says election margin. I want to change it to the honeybees. So let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Where are they? Restaurant tips, honeybee waggle. Okay, so I click on the honeybee waggle. I can see I have distance and duration. They're actually looking at using duration to predict distance, so I need to switch the variables. So I want duration on this axis. So switch the variables. And now this looks like the plot that we had in the homework. So we can see the correlation is given over here for us, and the slope and the intercept of the regression line are here as well. Okay, we can look at the regression line. There it is. Okay, so my correlation is 0.994, so I'm going to go enter that. Okay, and now I'm predicting distance on the basis of duration. So I need to enter my intercept, and my slope goes with the duration. So let's see, go back to descriptive statistics. My slope is 1,174.258. I'm going to copy that. And paste it in here for my intercept. And it's just to round to the nearest integer, so there's 1174. And then the slope, coming back over here. Whoops, that was the slope. Sorry. Let me do that again. That was the slope, so that goes here. Now I need to get the intercept. The intercept is negative 399.053. I'm just going to copy that. Copy. And paste it in here. And then round it to the nearest integer, which is negative 399. What does the slope tell me in context? It tells me for each 1 unit change in duration, the predicted distance changes by 1174 increase. So let's see. Expected change of distance if duration is 1 second more. That is correct. And then we can use the equation to predict these values. But that is how we can get the slope and the intercept and the correlation using technology. So I'll leave the rest to you, but that's how we can get what we need. And the same kind of thing would be true for the next question. The hot dog eating contest, you can see that if I go in to StatKey again, I can change to the hot dog eating contest database. Here we go. And I've got year, and I've got the winning number of hot dogs. And I can get the correlation, the slope, and the intercept off of StatKey for that also. So I hope this helps. As I say, I will add some more attempts, and I will also extend the deadline so people can get this done. Sorry for the confusion. Hope this helps. Have a good night.